My name is Andy O'Hara, the Service Manager for Great Wall Termite Control. Great Wall Termite Control is a full-service company that covers Santa Clara, San Mateo, Alameda, and Contra Costa counties. We do full structure fumigations, full structure soil treatments for control of termites, both drywood and subterraneans. We also do repairs for our customers, mostly minor repairs. We don't get into any big remodels or addition to homes or structures. When you choose to do business with Great Wall Termite Control, you are going to get our utmost attention, and we are going to address your concerns. We come in and evaluate, ask questions, and find out what our customers' needs are. That way there we can deliver them the service that they need and give them the best recommendations. So in 2017, the company started with a single operator, and about 2020 is when the company really started to ramp up and grow, moving into 3 and 4 inspectors. We acquired more crew members to facilitate our treatments. We also developed a repair crew to help our customers with wood repair that was caused by wood-destroying organisms.
Hi, my name is Shawn. I'm a WDO service representative for Great Wall Termite Control. I've been in the industry for over 10 years, doing inspections for escrows, as well as just regular general home inspections. Some of my customers' concerns are, when it comes to fumigations, on how hard it is to prepare the home for the fumigation. I basically let them know that all the food in the refrigerator and the freezer has to be double bagged. A lot of their concerns are about furniture, silverware, dishes, their bedding, clothes, if any residual is going to be left behind. There is absolutely no residual that's left behind after the fumigation process.
I'm Tim from Great Wall Termite Control. I'm the Branch 2 and Branch 3 termite inspector. I want to introduce this product we call the Termite Live Microwave Detector. This product can detect the termites. Once it detects the termites, the light will flash, so people can know if the termite live or not inside the wood, so without remove anything.
If your home has termites, or you think you might have termites, do not hesitate to call Great Wall Termite Control, and we will be there to assist you in any way necessary. And at the end of the day, we do whatever it takes to make sure we've met our customers' satisfaction.